can hear the drums of war. It is the most musical of sounds, marching to the tune of conquered villages and towns. Victory is violence, cover the silence of violence. The thumping bass of mass graves as unmarked bodies meet their final resting place. And I don't even listen to music, but this sound cannot be missed. Everywhere I go, the screaming sirens make me sick as I reflect on the award-winning performance most wars represent, because nothing brings people together more like war and pointless death. Politicians conduct symphonies of lies and deceit as the puppet master plays away his propaganda for the deaf and dumb to read. Emptied magazines from shooting live clips onto the street. Terrorist or freedom fighter, both must defend what they believe. They are chanting at the protest, "We only want peace!" So mass police pull out their pieces and spray in harmony like boom, 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 boom. Now they are deceased in pieces, but will not get to rest in peace. Cease fire for an interlude while suspects are being pursued. Soldiers salute, all in tune with what the major asked them to do. Yes sir, no sir. In fact, the war was all a blur. Everybody looks the same when their brains are on the curb. They are kicking down the doors, rounding men up as they snore, while women and their children pay the highest price for war, because raping is like rapping. Thugs holding guns while other men are clapping. They tie them up in chains, give them whips if they complain. Can't you see it's all a game? Drones flying over homes by remote control, while teenage boys are chilling, just killing in the comfort of their homes. I can hear the call of duty, they all want an encore. So his machine gun sung the most beautiful of chords. Oh, you didn't know? Muslim blood is cheaper than oil. They sell it by the barrels to the pharaohs and their boys. Nuclear acapellas will have any nation sell out and join an orchestrated effort of disunited nation sellouts, because weapons of mass destruction are nothing next to methods of mass consumption, oiling the instruments of war as the crowds begin to roar, playing Russian roulette with German Lugers and British bayonets. American shotguns silence Chinese bulletproof vests. War is international business. I can hear the tanks rolling, holding their positions on the hill. Citadels ring their bells as hell leaves a bloody trail. Revolutions always fail when casualties are less than 12 years of age. Teens with rage will avenge their family's honor to the grave. I can hear the orphans as they mourn, closing their parents' casket door with a fear that their tears will forever be ignored. But we dare not speak of those who have died like they are dead. Say nay, they are alive, finding comfort with their Lord instead. Listen to the harmony of lobby groups and foreign policy. Zionist and Western duets lead the melody in Middle Eastern conflicts. Dictators sing like choir boys when their corruption gets annoyed. Democratize capitalism's lies of despising civil war, because how can you hate war when it is the anthem of the world? You either love it or you live it, but every nation knows its words. Marching troops are hesitating, they don't know if they are dying for, while flying mortars are making martyrs who are smiling as they go. I can hear the flat lines, the aftermath of landmines, giving birth to worthless earth, the most dangerous of minds. There are things much worse than death, there are kings and much more debt. You push a people's backs against the wall, they will not fall, they will destroy it. It being the theme of humanitarian dreams and schemes, providing aid for which they prayed another day for this concert hall to play the magnificence of the grand stage. Get your tickets here today for the battle of the century, featuring people who look like you and me. This is our legacy. History books will soon know. Lights, camera, action, get ready for the show.